everybody, welcome to my channel. I love you guys and I'm so glad that you're here today. I want to show you something fun that I've been playing around with. It's this Dollar Tree foam sheet stuff. It's really super thin, but I have been having fun making stamps with these and other things to use in my mixed media stuff. But I'll show you how I'm doing it. And today I'm gonna make a little birdhouse. So I'm gonna set that aside. First thing that I do, I'm gonna get right into it. First thing that I did was I drew a birdhouse, okay, on a scratch piece of paper. Okay, that looks pretty cute. So I'm going to glue two pieces together. I could do it with one. I've done some stamping things with one and they turned out okay, but it's just a little more integrity with the double. So I'm gonna use my Beacon Fabri-Tac and just put these two pieces together and just goo and glue it all up so that it's nice and sturdy, firm, and strong. I've tried different kinds of glue. The tacky glue, Aleene's tacky glue, I've tried that and that works okay, but it just doesn't dry as fast. So that's why I'm using this today for this one. So I think as far as integrity is concerned, both of them are about the same for long-term integrity. This one just dries faster. So, and use enough of it, glue on anything and you're gonna be good. So I need to get it's starting to already do the burpy bubble thing. If you don't put the lid on, it does the burpy bubble thing. And I'm gonna press it down. Make sure it's kind of, there's a gunk right there. Glue it down nice and firm. Okay. And I'm also cut out a piece of cardboard, and this is from a 12 by 12 paper pack, just the back of it. And it's actually pretty sturdy. It's not quite a 1/4 inch thick, but it's not real bendable. So that's kind of a nice thing. And yeah, you can use better cardboard if you want to. Up to you, up to you. So let's see. I wrote this in pencil. Let's see if I can rub it onto here. If you use a certain kind of pencil, it would show up. You can kind of see it. It's got a very slight pattern in there. You know what? Let me just do that. So this is a number 2 pencil. Oh, and some of the lines are, the ones I'm going to cut are definitely just on the outside. And then the inside lines will be indentations, except I will punch 3 holes in the middle for the bird holes. I'll use my crocodile. Sorry, that took a minute to figure that out. And we're not going for perfect here, because perfect is overrated. Perfect's for God. We just do our best, or what gives us value. Yeah, this'll be, yeah, I bet you. I'm curious now. I'm gonna have to push it over to the other side though, because I don't want to go over the lines I already accidentally have on here. Fun, so I'll put it on this side. All right, just rub it on there and see if we can get a print off of that. As I shake everything on my table. Okay, so that we can work with, right? So let me grab, I have, I don't want this as a one thick line. I don't want such, excuse me, I don't want such a thick line. Maybe this is a 05. Nope, that's even thinner, way thinner. way thinner. How about a brush small? It's too bad. I've got my how about a micron 3? That'll work. So, and just go through and you trace over the lines that you just got done printing out there from your pencil impression. And again, the lines on the outside are what are going to be cut, except for the holes, which will be done with my Crop-A-Dial. So, you can kind of see how this is going to turn out. I'll come back and do the indentation lines after. Yeah. Yeah, carefully cut. And what's fun about these is you can use the scraps to make something else. Maybe I can do a little bird with some of the scraps somehow. To figure out how to draw that though. Might be a little tricky. Might be above my skills. When I was doing this with a single piece, there was so much static that the little leftover pieces were just hanging on to my scissors and my hands, and it just would not let me go. Okay, that's too tall, so we'll just trim that. Set those aside. Excellent. And where did my piece of, here we go. Okay, let me trim it just a smidge more on the bottom. Glue it on. And I did, oh, look at that. I don't know why this, that might be an integrity problem right there. Because for whatever reason it's cut off. Huh. I don't know. Interesting. So I'm just going to give it a really good glue here. Put the lid on the glue. Okay. I'm going to use my stamp just to smush it down. And while it's drying, I might as well go through and put in the indentations that are the little shingles and such. You know what though? I want to use this pencil, works really good for that. So I'm putting in alternating lines because that's kind of how shingles do. And it grabs it a little bit, and the glue's not quite dry, but I think it's still going to be all right. And again, not going for perfect here, just going for, you know, something that's fun and something you can add to your stamping collection that you don't have to pay a lot of money for, and you have the satisfaction of making it yourself really cheaply. Really inexpensive. See, now look, I'm looking at my corner here and it's not sticking up. I don't know what happened there. That's a little bit disappointing. So I'll have to figure out, either live with it or, oh, and I forgot to cut out the holes. Oh, fiddle. Oh, fiddle. So I think Let's see. What can I do? What can I do about that? Just tell me what. Guess I can just push that in. I really wanted holes. Can I just go through and just do this? Just go all the way through it with my crocodile? What do you think, guys? Should I just try it? I'm gonna get goo on my crocodile. I'm gonna try the smaller hole. Okay, that'll work. That's okay. I can live with that. Oops. And then maybe, where's my, can I use a little, one of those circles to put underneath of the corner? But I don't know where the circles went. No, nope, nope, nope. That's not gonna work. Okay, so. Okay. Are you stuck down good enough? Get some of that excess off there. Go do a little better cut around the edge too. Using my big scissors. Take a piece of tape and make just a bit of a handle. Okay, so all right. Okay, did I mark this line? I don't know if I did. So I'm seeing some loose corners, but I just want to stamp it and see what it does. So I have my notebook of painted papers here. It's kind of a mess. And I'm going to use, I have Memento ink, and I also have some black apple barrel. So, but let's try the Memento first. I'm going to pull this back. Okay, push down on this. Down the middle. Let's see how it's coming up and not really great. Okay, here's a try. Here is our first try. What'll it be? Press it down pretty hard for me because my table's not level. Oh, friends and countrymen, that's adorable. Oh my goodness. I am happy with that. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is ghost print. Let's see what I can do with that. One thing about these pads, they kind of, they soak up the paint pretty good. Oh, you guys, that's fun. That's my fun for today. Oh my. So cute. Oh, I love it. All right, guys. I have made a bunch of other stamps using this foam stuff. some people figures, and another little birdhouse that's kind of inked up. A tulip that turned out really pretty. Let me show you what that print looks like though. These tulip and the birdhouse, the first little birdhouse I made are fun. I've made some two faces. Where's my other one? It's kind of hard to see because it's it's all blacked out from black ink and black paint, but yeah. So I've been having fun with foam, just scraps and circles and flowers, all the rage, and a rose and another rose, 2 different kinds of roses there, and a little tiny one, more people, this. Yeah, just having fun with this, and a stamp thing. A fun flower, just funky fun flower. So yeah, you guys, that's what I've been kind of playing with, and I've got other stamps and such. And like I said, I've got everything to make the speedball kind of stamps with the pink and the tools and everything. But it's just kind of fun using up different things that this isn't made for making stamps out of, but why not? I have not explored a lot of things that you can do with this foam stuff, but I know that you can make stamps out of them, and so that's what I was doing. Having a lot of fun doing that. Okay, you guys, that's it for today, and I hope you're having a great day, and you're loved. Yeah, even that corner, that still doesn't take away from the stamping cuteness of it. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Thanks again for coming on over. And as always, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.